This is a full and detailed video on how you can go ahead doing your KYC on your Bittoken profile. So what you just need to do is to follow this video step by step and make sure you watch to the end. Now, in exchange of the value you'll be getting in this video, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without no more said, let's dive into today's business. Now, to do your KYC, after making the payment to me, what you have to do next is to save the screenshot I have sent to you and copy the transaction hash I sent to you. Just go ahead to save the screenshot I sent to you and also the transaction hash. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to come down to your wallet. Okay, so once you come down to your wallet, you just have to come down to deposit. Okay, so once you click on this deposit, what you just want to do is to come right here and type in 1. Okay, then click on next. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right here is to come down to where you can actually find next. Click on next, then come right here where you can actually find the transaction hash, then paste that transaction hash I actually sent to you. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on choose file to upload that screenshot I actually sent to you. Okay, so now, right now we go to your gallery and select that screenshot I actually sent to you. Okay, so you just have to put in that screenshot, and the next thing you want to do is to click on submit. Okay, so once you click on submit, you just have to wait for 2 to 3 hours for this to be verified. Okay, so right now you can actually see that we've successfully done the funding for our account. So the next thing you want to do is to go back to your account. After 2 to 3 hours, your funding is going to reflect on your balance, so you just have to wait from 2 to 3 hours. So once that reflects, the next thing you want to do is to click on P2P right here. So once you click on P2P, you're going to be directed to another browser where you need to do your KYC and submit your necessary details like your NIN, your passport, and the likes of others, your valid means of identification. So like I said, right now you can actually see that my USDT balance is actually $1. So like I said, once your account has actually reflected $1 of the funding, just come right to P2P. So right now you can actually see that we have paid $1 for KYC. So the next thing you want to do is to click on pay $1 for KYC. So once you click on that, just click on yes, proceed. As you can see, confirmation. Are you sure you want to pay $1 USDT for KYC verification? Just go ahead to click on yes, proceed. Okay, so right now you can actually see it says start level 2 KYC verification, facial likeness. So you just click on verify KYC. So it's going to direct you to another interface where you need to do your verification. So right here it's asking you verify your identity. So right now this is the steps for you to verify your KYC. So you can actually see that step 1 says ID verification and step 2 says face verification. So what you just have to do right here is to click on continue. Okay, so right on this interface, the next thing you want to do is to click on login with Google. So you're going to wait for this to load up right now. So we are going to be selecting our email address that we use for the Bittoken. So you're going to be directed to the next interface to proceed with your KYC. As you can see, logging in successfully. So the next thing you want to do right now is to follow this step by step. As it says, choose your verification document. Right here we're in Nigeria, so we have the national ID card, we have the passport, and we have the driver's license, just like I said. So right now I want to actually use my passport, so I'm going to click on continue. So right here it says prepare your passport. You will need to scan data page for document. So what I just need to do is to take photo. So I'm going to click on allow. So the next thing I want to do right here is to take a picture of my passport. Okay, so right now I'm going to be taking a picture of my passport right here. So right now I've taken the passport, so I'm going to click on confirm. So it's actually processing the image right here. So the next thing you want to do is the face verification. So I just need to click on continue to do my face verification. So right here you can actually see verification status approved, facial liveness status approved, name Joaquin Uchechukwu Asimekawa. So you can actually see that I just got my account verified. So this is the process you're going to use to verify your own Bittoken KYC. Okay, so that is how you can actually follow this process and get your Bittoken approved. Okay, so what you just have to do to get your Bittoken approved is to send me a DM, and I'm going to be getting the $1 for you, so you can actually use that to fund your account. Just send me a DM and I'm going to be getting your $1 for you to do your KYC. So that is how you can actually go through the verification process. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Alright, see you on my next video, and if you have any questions you want to ask concerning this, you can feel free to drop them on the comment box below.